Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple conversation in the clothes shop. When you practice English in a clothes shop, you can learn useful phrases like asking about price, size, color, and trying clothes on. This helps you build confidence in real-life shopping situations. In this role play, Kanika is the seller and Jake is the customer. I hope you will learn after this conversation. Let's get started.
Hello, welcome to our shop.
Hi, thank you.
How can I help you today?
I want a t-shirt.
Sure, what color do you like?
Maybe blue.
Okay, what size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Let me check. Here is a medium dark blue t-shirt.
Oh, this looks good. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How is it?
It fits well, but do you have a larger one?
Yes, here is a large. Please try it.
Oh, this one feels better.
Great, it looks good on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $10.
That's a good price. Do you have other colors?
Yes, we have black, white, and red too.
I like red also. Can I see it?
Sure, here is the red one.
Nice. But I will take the blue.
Okay, perfect. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thank you for shopping.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.